A manufacturer and distributor of ultra-fresh dairy products is, with 12 factories and 630,000 tons produced every year, a European leader in the sector. The Gatilog Logistics Centre, located at Villeroy in the Yonne department, is part of Logistique, the logistics subsidiary of the Senoble group. With a capacity of approximately 27,000 pallets, this centre receives the various group products and distributes them to numerous major retailers. 300 people are responsible for logistics here, whilst around 100 employees transport the products. Symphony EYC's G.O.L.D is used throughout the logistics chain, making particular use of voice technology to reduce order preparation time. The Symphony EYC Customer Association is an independent association and a privileged partner of Symphony EYC. The Logistics Caucus is just one of 5 caucuses which work to continuously bring theory and practice together. This is why a group of around 50 people, representing a wide selection of Symphony EYC customers, came to visit the Senoble Gatilog Central Warehouse. For us as logisticians, this type of event is important because it allows us to meet and talk with people involved in retail and distribution, to show them what makes us special and the level of care we bring to our services. It's a very positive experience. At the caucus level, what's important is that each time we seek to obtain a visit, it should be consistent with the work we have accomplished. We have worked extensively on everything concerned with the shipment dock lane order, the management of supply to these docks, and safety. So this visit is happening at just the right time. It corresponds perfectly with the work we have carried out in the course of the year, with the support of Senoble, amongst others. The ultra-fresh dairy products business has specific constraints and demands a unique configuration, which can be clearly seen here at the warehouse in Villeroy. Temperature is controlled. Our stock cycles are very short, as are our storage cycles. And we don't know in the morning what will be shipped that night. We've been working with Senoble for almost 15 years now. When we started working together, the logistics centre was in another location in G.O.L.D, and we worked with Senoble through the relocation to here at Villeroy. There are 3 components to our business today. The first of these is being a software developer, because our business fundamentally entails offering both warehouse management solutions and standard logistics management solutions. We also offer guidance and support in the implementation of these tools within the business context and practices, which can represent a certain number of specific business issues. And today, our policy with Senoble is to offer support and guidance for the permanent optimization of their business processes. More than 3,500 pallets arrive here every day. When the lorries arrive, and once the product temperature has been checked, G.O.L.D takes over management of the received orders. We check the temperature to find out whether the products are compliant for reception. In this way, we can see that the products are at 3 degrees, which is a compliant temperature for reception. Here you have the management of reception orders. We can see all the vehicles which have not yet arrived at the site and which must be unloaded. The operator checks the details declared on the manufacturing article slip with the received product to make sure there is no anomaly. He scans the pallet, and all the information that was on the article slip is displayed on the screen of the onboard system. To complete the process, the operator validates the entry point in order to redirect the pallet towards the installation and the tall storage building. A completely automated conveyor belt then takes charge of the pallets. Tracking allows the monitoring of progress of all the loads. 2 scanners allow the geometry of the pallet and the quality of the wooden support to be checked. Defective pallets are discarded to a platform from which an operator will remove them. After withdrawal, they are reintroduced to the conveyor belt, which takes them to the storage area. Storage is in a tall warehouse, equipped with 10 storage and retrieval stacking cranes. A stacking crane travels at a top speed of about 14 or 15 kilometers per hour. and has a storage capacity per aisle of 2,280 pallets, a maximum total of 22,800 pallets in stock. It can deposit at 10 different levels, and the top level is at a height of 20 meters. When a wave of orders is launched, we begin by checking whether we have the stock available, and if ever we don't have what is necessary, G.O.L.D automatically sends a replenishment order to Steria for supplies. Steria is the storage management software which manages the delivery of the complementary stock. The pallets are then sent to the order preparation area. The preparation operators or order pickers, equipped with voice terminals and headsets, are connected to G.O.L.D via a voice system. Once the order picker has logged into the system, the voice operations system will tell him the number of packages and the number of spacer pallets to be removed at picking level, as well as the number of the aisle. The order picker confirms an OK to the system before heading for his preparation aisle. Once he reaches the preparation aisle, he signals an OK to inform the system that he's in place. The system then displays a picking position. There is a check code beneath each position. The system then gives the order picker the article code of the pallet and the use-by date. So here he'll be told 110-000-027, use-by date 4th May, 4th, 05, 2009. The order picker says OK to confirm the data he has in front of him. Next, he's given the quantities. The order picker announces the number of packages collected, and in return, the system confirms this. Once the preparation process is complete, the system will ask him to terminate the order. The order picker will say OK. He'll be asked for a printer number. A printer is available at each picking exit. Before taking the printed label, the order picker has to declare the check code on the sticker to make sure that the correct sticker is adhered onto the correct pallet. The pallet is then deposited directly on the dock. So, you've got QR23 for dock 23. These are the lanes and little boxes display. We've numbered all our lanes on our docks so as to optimize loading of our lorries. Lane 1 is what will go into the frozen goods area. Lanes 2, 3 and 4 are what will go in first at our customers' premises. The pallets are deposited either on the loading docks or in the buffer zones whilst awaiting loading. We don't have the option of preparing orders, putting them on the dock and then dispatching them only 5, 6 or 7 hours later. This was the observation that led to the creation of the buffer zones. These permit the preparation and storage of the orders whilst awaiting loading. When the lorry for which they are intended is about to arrive, a loading dock is designated. Orders are then transferred from the buffer zones to the loading docks. All that remains to be done is for the loaders to load in the order on which they are lined up on the dock, lane 1 being the first lane and lane 4 being the last lane to be loaded. Here again, scanning allows G.O.L.D to track the loading of the lorries in real time. The loaders have all order tracking details and status on their displays. Every day, 2,800 homogeneous pallets and 250,000 packages are dispatched. This type of customer association event allows us to share our common concerns with retailers and with other Symphony EYC G.O.L.D customers. And in the course of these exchanges, we manage to formalize our thoughts, envisage solutions and responses to problems, and get things done as quickly as possible. And also implementing solutions that are durable and already proven by other Symphony EYC G.O.L.D users. Our business is in the retail industry. This is therefore an excellent opportunity for retailers to better appreciate the problems of logistics in the agri-food industry, and so to better master and understand their upstream problems. This, of course, enables better organization and collaboration in the retailer-supplier relationship. Through this caucus, we are able to have an exchange which is really coherent, and in fact, the solution responds fully to requirements. We ourselves continue to develop, with the benefit of feedback and the needs expressed in terms of the business, the processes. And we see that there is no problem, it corresponds very closely to needs, and everything is working well. Project management has been provided by Senoble with Symphony EYC support for the integration of G.O.L.D warehouse management with the automation of storage handling system, interfacing of G.O.L.D warehouse management. Symphony EYC has also been responsible for deployment of the G.O.L.D warehouse voice operations and implementation of traceability.